Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm reviewing a new tattoo printer from Phomemo. Let's unpack and see what's included. A little bit of transfer paper is always included in the kit. By the way, the user manual is very large. USB to USB-C adapter and USB-C cable. The new Phomemo M08F Plus is a clear step forward compared to the previous version. While the original M08F was already a great portable tattoo stencil printer, the Plus version makes the whole process even simpler and more convenient. The main upgrade here is the touchscreen, which shows the printer status, battery level, and connection information directly on the device. You no longer need to constantly check the app, everything is right in front of you. Both printers deliver the same clean and reliable print quality, but the M08F Plus is definitely more comfortable for everyday studio use. When you turn it on, you can select a language convenient for you. This printer has a very extensive settings menu. You can open the user guide and find printing information. You can also change the language, screen brightness, printer auto off, and calibrate the printer. I installed the app using a QR code. The M08F Plus supports both USB and Bluetooth connections, allowing tattoo artists to print stencils from phones, tablets, or computers. Let's get started printing. To print on this printer, we need to open the printer lid, place the transfer paper evenly with the white paper facing up, and close the printer lid. This is my first time trying to print designs without the anti-paper wrinkle feature. All the details were printed very well. I really like the printing. But the paper is a little wrinkled, so I suggest turning on the anti-wrinkle function. With the anti-wrinkle feature, the sketch is printed just perfectly. The whole process takes only minutes, a clean, efficient way to prepare every tattoo session. The Phomemo app also supports AI design generation and template cutting to boost your workflow speed. See how the AI built into this app quickly converted a realistic design into a line drawing. It's very convenient for translating a sketch into a realistic style. Now you can watch me print sketches of varying complexity on a Phomemo printer. I have good news for you. The Phomemo company has provided a 15% discount on their products exclusively for my viewers. You see the promo code on the screen. The link to this wonderful TED printer is in the description. So guys, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. New YouTube videos are waiting for you.